How to fix fat file system blue error in Windows. 1. Update your Windows and device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run the VSOD troubleshooter. 3. Run the SFC scan and the DISM tool. Commands include SFC /scanodism /online /cleanup image /scan healthism /online /cleanup image /check healthism /online /cleanup image /restore health. 4. Try starting your computer with only one hard drive. 5. Check your hardware is working properly. 6. Remove folder protect and folder lock software and your antivirus software using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 7. Reset your Windows.